guys, I'm back. I've been to the toilet now, so I'm gonna now I'm gonna grab one. Wait, well, we're gonna go to Edgar Road and then to West Brompton. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do here is go up these stairs. So let's go up it quick. And also, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is what this side of the platform used to look like, and also there's like there used to be street, but it's still there.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna go up the okay guys, you're gonna go up the okay. So yeah, that's the start. To Edgar Road and then to West Brompton. So yeah, there's that. No wonder. Probably a light there and a light there. Yeah, so yeah, pretty good really. And I think I will see when that okay. Let's see. Can you hold that, please?
Yep.
I'm just sweaty. No way. Oh, I probably know what that bridge is, guys, actually. And also that bridge there, guys. Okay. But, yeah. Oh, here we go, guys. It's coming. It's coming now. It's coming now. Look, it's coming. Oh, whoa! Is it gonna? Come on, can I have this? No, can I just have? No, can I just have my phone, please? Can I have my phone, please? Yeah, yes, I am. No, I need your phone.
Change for Circle District Line services via High Street, Kensington.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
here. Oh my god. It's so cool, yeah. Guys, sorry, go on. And see you at the next platform, guys. Okay. Guys, here is the train. It's coming. It's going to. Are you serious right now? It looks like that's going to be the Wimbledon train, guys. So let's try it. I saw that, guys. Looking like this is, guys, going to be this is the Wimbledon
between the train and the platform. This is Edgware Road, where this train terminates. Please take your belongings with you when you leave the train.
Hopefully this goes to Wimbledon. Okay guys, comment. Let me tell you this, guys. Comment if you heard that music was too loud, guys, because I forgot to get my earphones off to sing, guys, okay? So I'll keep it lower now because of my earphones. Actually, guys, I don't think I need my earphones on right now. But, oh, hang on. Oh, wait. Oh, let's hope this is going to Wimbledon. Hopefully it is. Let's hope. Come on, go to Wimbledon. Yes! Guys, this one's going to Wimbledon, guys, okay? So, yeah, there's that. So this is actually part 3, the AEG Samsung Candy Hoover Fan 2014, guys, okay? So, yeah. So, yeah, on the district line. Almost 50 now. Oh my god. Can I have my phone? Yep. Okay. Right, guys. Let me just, come on. I have top problems with my iPhone 5S, guys, now. Probably because of the wetness. Mark, can you press? Oh no, okay. Press that.
Oh, what's happening? It's not working. That one?
This one.
It's frozen.
Okay, this rubbish phone is frozen, guys. I can't believe it. It's just gone faulty. How can this phone me and go faulty? I have no idea, but tell me if this changes. Might do. No, yep. Changing. That's so loud. Okay. Phone. Okay, in the comments. Well, no, you don't need to comment right now, guys, okay? That's in the right position, guys, okay? Now, who? This is not the phone. Yep. Ah! Oh, Crazy Waffle Boy 2007. You listen to this. Do you know what this is? Thank you very much, Candy Smart Pro, for smashing my phone. Do you know that? I'm going to zoom in a bit, so... No. Okay, close. I got it. Oh, why do you keep falling? Oh my god.
The next station is Paddington. Change for the Bakerloo line, the Elizabeth line, and National Rail Services.
No, I'm going to have to...
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
It keeps irritating me all the time.
The rear 2 doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors.
Right, I got the music guys now, okay? If this gets too loud, I'll turn it down guys, okay? Listen. Oh my god, guys.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Paddington. The rear two doors will not open here. Please use other doors.
No.
Oh no, you're not battery.
This is a district line train
No,
to Wimbledon. The
I'm
next
sorry, guys.
station is
Front,
Bayswater.
ran out of battery, so I'm gonna have to.
The rear two doors will
Get
not
the music
open
back
at the
on.
next station. Please use other doors.
Now I'm talking to guys. Well, let's hope this doesn't phone is not got COVID again. Because I'm not gonna have that. It's out the Autobox case, so I'm hoping it doesn't the next time. Even the question is, guys, it's actually now in the Autobox case. No, I'm wrong, guys. It's actually right now in the tripod. Annoying phone, Ian. You can notice this is a really rubbish phone, guys. Oh my god, phone, will you listen to me? Come on.
The next station is Bayswater.
Come on.
The rear two doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors.
So yeah, we're gonna. So yeah, let's. Oh, guys.
This is Bayswater.
These two doors aren't opening.
The rear two doors will not open here. Please use other doors.
Well, I'm not.
This is a district line
I'm not
train
letting
to
this
Wimbledon.
fall,
The
so I'm gonna
next
hold it-
station
I'm gonna
is
hold the
Notting
tripod
Hill
on.
Gate. The rear two doors will not open at
Again?
the next station.
Oh
Please
my
use other
God.
doors.
Again with the faulty doors. Oh my god, these are the most shortest platforms ever. I think they should have made it bigger, guys. This is so short. That's so loud. Way louder than that spin, guys. Oh my god.
The next station is Notting Hill Gate.
Guys.
Change for the Central Line.
Guys,
The rear two doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors.
guys, that's the loud, you know that part, you could, if you're watching a video, then you could notice that that was way louder
This is
than
Notting Hill
that
Gate.
louder spin on the Hoover with this remote, guys.
The rear two doors
So
will
loud.
not open here.
And
Please
this is way
use
louder
other
than
doors.
that. So yeah, that's so loud.
This is a district line train to Wimbledon. The next station is High Street,
Let's see
Kensington.
if any of these doors come up. Any door faults. I'm gonna hold this again, guys, in case the tripod falls. It looks like it is. So yeah, plug it in. Quite good, really. Let's hope. Guys, we're being popping into Alcohol and then West Brompton, guys, okay? Which is where the Irish Hotel is, guys. Even, I gotta say, guys, the hotel is gonna have 12
The next
floors.
station is High Street, Kensington. Change for the Circle Line via Victoria and Embankment.
That I could be on a higher floor, which even means, guys, it will even be like, well, at least well, you know, guys, if you've been there, guys, then, I'm gonna make
This is
sure
High Street, Kensington.
that I do all the lifts and
This is a District Line train to Wimbledon.
well,
The next station
is,
is
guys,
Earls Court.
there's 4 open slips and 1 staff open slip, guys, and even they have to go really fast because
Good afternoon, this is your driver speaking. This is a district service calling on all stations to Wimbledon. The next stop is Earls Court. This is High Street, Kensington.
Yeah.
Please, if you're looking for a Circle via Victoria service, this will be the please change. Once again, this is a district
so
service
get
to
up
Wimbledon.
fast.
Next stop will be Earls Court. In addition to that, this train is just going to be held in for 2 minutes from the time. Once again, the train is going to be held in for 2 minutes.
But the staff lift, guys, goes 10 miles per hour and can't handle that. So I'm gonna have to put in the customer lift, which either, guys, only one goes 7 miles per hour and the others only go 6 miles per hour, guys. But I'm gonna go in like any of those lifts. 7 miles per hour is okay for me, and 6 miles per hour is okay for me, guys, okay? So actually, guys, maximum miles per hour handle lift is 7 miles per hour, guys, okay? I'm gonna sit on these seats, guys, because I just want to be nice and comfy, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so no, I'm gonna press pause. So once I press pause, we're gonna be moving, guys. Okay, guys, it's starting to go now, guys. Okay, and whoa, this is going slow. It's speeding up slowly, guys. Well, normally it speeds up fast, but it's not this time, guys. Oh no, not now. Oh no, no! This is gonna be so sunny, guys. No, it's fine, guys. It's fine. Okay. Oh. Not like we're getting a tunnel right now, guys. It's much better. Oh my god. No, this is gonna be so noisy, guys. Guys, actually stopping at Earls Court, guys. This is gonna be so noisy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna hold this. Cover my ears, because it's gonna be so noisy. No, I don't think so. No, it's not that noisy, guys. So it's fine, guys. Okay, let's get off here, guys. Okay. By even, guys. If we needed step-free access, guys, then I'd have to. No, don't. Oh, guys, that's actually High Street, Kensington, guys. You can notice the tunnels are much differenter. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is put the phone back down, okay? Oh my god, this is really dramatic right now, guys. This train right now. I'm gonna do this.
The next station is Earls Court. Change for the Piccadilly line and District line services to other destinations.
Oh, there you go. No, I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna sit down, right?
Welcome to Earls Court once again. This is a district service to Wimbledon. The next stop will be Brompton. Please take your other district line services to other destinations. You can also take the Piccadilly line from there. Once again, this is a district service to all stations to Wimbledon. Welcome to Earls Court. In addition, trains are going to be held there for approximately 4 minutes from departure time. Once again, trains are going to be held there for 4 minutes.
What? You mean after 4 minutes, guys, okay? Guys, the door closed, guys, okay? Oh, guys! Can you see that? The sensor one. I think the staff don't know that the signs are on. Even if you know what, Mama?
Yeah.
If those doors open, that sign is on there.
Yeah.
What?
You can press the button to open the door.
No, it won't, because I've seen that being on even with the door open. So it looks
Stay on this.
yeah. So even guys, these signs here will stay on because the staff on this train don't know that the lights are on, guys, which is quite unusual. Well, yeah, to be honest, guys, but you know what? Gotta say, if they see them on, then they will turn them off, guys. So as you can see, Mama, that the doors are open, and that's still on. But they should be off, but they're still on. So guys, see when we're gonna move, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, the signs came back off, guys. Okay.
This train is being
Guys, we're now ready to go, guys. Okay. And also, guys, we're going for a sprint. Run. Okay. Oh, God. Oh my God, guys, I'm so dizzy now. And guys, it's gonna be so loud, guys, okay? But anyway, it's gonna be so loud. Oh, guys, it's so loud right now.
The next station is West Brompton. Change for London Overground and National Rail Services, including services to
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Okay, yeah, got it. Well, let's just get West Brompton.
Yeah. We're going to go to the lane. It's getting late.
Oh, guys, it wasn't that door. It was actually these doors here, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. But anyway, let's wait until this train is gone, guys. Okay. It's gone. So now I'm talking to guys. Sorry. Right, let's wait until it goes. But then yeah, guys. So yeah, and guys, listen. We're gonna be going up onto the floor. Then, well, we're gonna be on ground floor. And then, guys, listen. We're gonna, you know this, guys. That's another train, isn't it? Which means it's so low. Yeah. And guys, we're gonna go up on this level, guys. And then, guys, listen. We're gonna go at the Ibis. I'm gonna go to the Ibis Hotel, and then see what level we have to be on, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. But first, now, gonna pay. Let's do this, guys. Okay.